Media room. Upstairs. Say hi, Isaac. Be careful. Okay. So we'll set up here. Son, can you please come downstairs? Please? Thank you. Come on, buddy. Okay. Hi, Libby. No, honey, I don't want you to play up there, okay? Should be the awesome, gigantic kitchen. Yes, please. Nice area right there. Yeah. Formal dining. Some big tall ceilings. Go to the master bedroom. The master. A really big, awesome bathroom. There's me. Hi. And this closet's like big enough to be an entire bedroom. Okay. Keep going. Let's see. Master, or I guess like a little, this is the laundry area. Let's go to the kids' rooms. This is study. This would be Eden's room. Bathroom for the kids. This would probably be Olivia or Isaac's room. And another bedroom. And that's it.